Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our FTV English version. Yes, amazing news for our viewer. Yeah, a new story has provided fresh insights into how animals such as the woolly mammoth, musk ox, and Arctic fox evolved to survive the cold during the Ice Age. A team of paleontologists and paleogeneticists studied ancient fossil and DNA evidence for the nature and timing of changes animals and plants in the northern hemisphere. They have shown that cold adapted animals started to evolve 2.6 million years ago when the permanent ice at the poles became more prevalent. There followed a time when the continental ice sheets expanded and contracted, and around 7 lakh years ago, the cold periods doubled in length. This is when many of the current cold adapted species, as well as extinct ones like mammoths, evolved. The findings have been published in the journal Trends in Ecology and Evolution. The cold adapted species are among the most vulnerable animals and plants to ongoing climate change. Therefore, an understanding of how species evolved in the past is essential to help us understand the risks faced by endangered species today. Explained John Stewart, professor and paleoecology of Bournemouth University, who led the study. During their research, the team compared the evidence for evolution in plants and beetles with that for mammals and suggested that ideas that some organisms had evolved earlier in the polar regions need to be tested. And this means that the way the modern Arctic ecology is assembled needs to be resolved, as it is not clear when and how the animals and plants who live there came together. Behind this exclusive report, FTV English, Delhi, Bharat.